Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay. For those who are new to my channel, I am Organicbaddie and this is my channel where I do all my DIY projects. So if you would please click that like and that subscribe button and share the video if you can, I would really appreciate it. Okay. Today I am back with another DIY beauty video, and this is one of my favorite products. I love body oils. Okay, my body's all oiled up, all moisturized, and it's like I can take over the world. So I am going to be showing you guys how to make a simple body oil at home. And with this one you can actually bath with it or moisturize. I like to bath with my oils, that way when I get out my skin is already smooth, moisturized, and I don't have to do that all over again. So in today's body oil I'm going to include some castor oil. Castor oil is very good in moisturization, okay? And I think it's grapeseed oil, marula oil, and some essential oils. I love to pour my bath oil when I'm having a bath, obviously. That way the steam can also fill the room and I can breathe in the essential oils. So it's also a great aromatherapy for me. So anyone can do this at home. You can do this also for your kids. If you have a baby, you know, it's very nice for you to share bath with your kids or your babe or yourself, okay? But do take a bath. They're very great for you to invigorate your energy and just boost up your immune system. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more DIY beauty videos, holla at me and tell me what you want me to do, and I will see you guys on my next video. But before I go, I just want to bother you and say, please click like and subscribe, share the video if you care with your homies, your girls, your everyone, and I will see you guys on my other creating DIY videos. Bye.